Welcome back. So now if you click on My Apps and Credentials, you will find all of your apps, and here if you click on Live, you will find your project here. If you click on it, you will find the live credentials. So what is the difference between Sandbox and Live? Live credentials will allow you to receive real money from users. So if I click on My Project here, you will find here it says My Project, and you will find PayPal account and client ID and secret. So these three are very important because these three will represent the live credentials. So the PayPal account is your real PayPal account. The client ID you will use in order to connect to PayPal and get real money, and of course the secret. If you click on this it's going to show you the secret key. And this is for the live. If you go back and click on My Apps, and if you click on Sandbox, you will find here your project. If you click on it, you will find your credentials, the Sandbox account, the client ID, and the secret. But this is for testing. So again, you have two options. You have the Sandbox and the live. The Sandbox is used for testing, which I'm going to be using. And then whenever we go live, we just need to use the live credentials. That's it. Pretty simple.